In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a return policy on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your policy settings, how to review the content, and how to publish it so customers can easily access it on your store. First, go to your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into the correct store so the changes apply to the right place. You should land on the main dashboard where you see your orders, products, and recent activity. Next, click on Settings. You'll find this in the lower left corner of the admin. This is where all your store-wide configurations live, from payments and shipping to your legal pages. We're heading here because Shopify keeps policies centralized, making them easy to maintain and consistent across your storefront. In Settings, click on Policies. Depending on your admin layout, this section may be labeled Legal. This page groups all your key documents: privacy, terms, shipping, and the one we need today, your return and refund policy. Keeping these documents together helps ensure everything your customers need is in one reliable location. Now, click on Return and Refund Policy. This opens the editor where your policy content sits. Take a moment to read it thoroughly. A solid return policy should clearly state the return window, the condition items must be in, whether proof of purchase is required, which items are not eligible, and who covers return shipping. Keep the language plain and customer-friendly, and make sure it reflects how you actually handle returns. Consistency between what you promise and what you do will reduce disputes and increase trust. Once you're confident the content is accurate, click Publish. Publishing makes your return and refund policy live on your store so customers can find it before checkout and in your footer or policy pages, depending on your theme. This is an important step because an unpublished policy can lead to confusion, chargebacks, or support tickets. Publishing ensures shoppers know exactly what to expect. Finally, click on Return and Refund Policy again. This brings you back into the policy view to confirm everything looks correct after publishing. Scan for typos, verify your timelines and exclusions are clear, and make sure the tone matches your brand. If anything needs fine-tuning, you can update it right here at any time, and your changes will carry through to your storefront. That's it. You went to your Shopify admin, opened Settings, located Policies, reviewed your return and refund policy, published it, and double-checked the final result. With this in place, your customers have clear guidance, and your team